In this video, I'll show you how to clear the error E1, like the one you see over here, on your HP Envy printer. If you're having this error, it could mean many different things. One of them is that some paper is stuck inside of your printer, like here I can already see the paper here got stuck. So let's get started with the first solution, which is if you see the paper, well, just pull it out. Sometimes the paper will come bended, and this is why there was an error. If not, just lift this top lid, the one that will show the printer cartridges, and you may have to remove paper from here. Make sure that everything is clear, especially over here. There's no crumpled paper. If not, there's also this place. You can simply lift and check for any stuck paper. Another place you can look for stuck paper is under the printer actually. You just have to slide this panel the way I did. And from here too you can see if there is any stuck paper and remove it. Even after you remove the paper, the error will still be there. To cancel and completely clear the error, you need to click on this X button. If this didn't clear the error, what you can do is to simply disconnect the printer cable from the wall socket and wait a minute. Then plug it back and try to make it work. Hopefully, one of these solutions will help you solve the problem. If you have other tricks to remove this error, please type them down below in the comments section. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.